it just gives your outfit a whole other. Oh Jesus, my God. I want to blind myself. Can you imagine? But still, we move. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dara and I'm back with a new video. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a haul, basically shoes, bag and accessory haul from Shein and AliExpress, and I have been super eager to actually open it up. My patience has gotten to here, so today I decided I'm going to show you guys what I got today, just so that I can also see what I got, because I haven't seen them since they came. I think I like bags more than clothes or shoes. I think so, I'm not sure. Let's open it and see what we have in here. Like, I'm actually so excited, you guys. You don't even know how happy I am. Oh my God! The very first thing on the top is this purse. For you guys, I'm going to set pictures of everything I got on either this side or this side of the screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more hauls like this, let me know. So let me open the bag. I think this particular bag is the Louis Vuitton dupe. So I just opened it and it comes with like other purses, bag, and the hand of the bag is inside the bag, and I love the fact that the zip is gold detailing. On here it also has the Shein logo. I really love it, especially the color. Like, it's not really a white bag, it's kind of like a cream bag. So let me try to see if I can put it together. Oh my God. Another thing I like is the fact that it has this kind of strap. Like, it's not really like the long strap, is more like a belt than like the usual leather bag like this one. I mean, like, you have this if you want to carry the smaller bag on its own. Like, you can carry this on its own as a bag, so you have this strap for it, and then you can carry this bag on its own, so you have this strap for it. So like, I really like the strap on this bag. Yo, this is how the bag is, and I am super excited for this particular bag that I got. This is one of my favorite things from the whole haul, so yeah. Another thing I got is this bag. I need to say something. I really like the fact that Shein puts in effort to actually package their stuff properly compared to AliExpress. It looks like you actually bought it at a store. I haven't even opened it yet. The packaging is so neat. The bag is not compressed, it's not damaged. I really appreciate that. The little things matter. Okay. Do you guys want me to bring it up? Do you want me to bring it up? Do you want me to bring it up? Okay. I'll bring it up. No. This is the bag. This is the second bag I got. And if you know where the whole inspiration of this bag is from, you're an OG. Yes, it's Dior. First of all, opening the bag is solid. I like the fact that the bag is so solid. The other doesn't look inferior. I really love this bag. I intentionally got this in a brown just so that it could be versatile. I could wear it with most things in my closet just in case. It's sturdy. It came with a strap. I'll most likely not use the strap just because I never really use these extra straps that come in bags, especially because of how it looks. I don't like them, but yeah, it has the strap for whoever needs it. But this is the strap I think I would use. Okay, this is actually the strap of the bag. I love. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And the bag actually has quite, like, I mean, it's not a very big bag, obviously. It's kind of like a shoulder bag. You can also carry it as a crossbody with this, but I would definitely carry it as just a shoulder bag because I really love shoulder bags. It has an extra zip compartment in it just for your cards or maybe key or whatever. And it wasn't even up to $30. But yeah, this bag is really good. I'm going to leave the prices as well so you guys can actually know, for those of you that want something affordable. Another bag I got is this bag. It's a very tiny bag, and I think this was $9. This was the cheapest one. This is the bag. It's a denim bag, I mean, it's kind of light, which is understandable because of the cost and everything, and the chain is quite inferior. I mean, for like a $9 bag, what do you expect? But yeah, it's just something you should take note of if you want to ever get this bag. And I don't like the fact that the zip is black and the bag is blue. That's already a no-no for me. I mean, I would still use the bag. It's just stuff I'm pointing out for whoever may be concerned. Yeah, so this is the bag. I'm not super excited about it, but yeah, it's just one of those many things that I got. Yeah, this is the next cheap bag. So this one is more like a purse. So I did get this purse. I love the fact that the zip is gold. I think I'm into this gold zips now. So I really like the fact that the zip is gold, and if you open the bag, it's quite spacey. You can fit a wallet in here, and then it has the hand. So yeah, I can just, maybe if I'm going, I could just put it in my hand like this. Yep. Also, one thing I want you guys to do, tell me in the comment section which was your favorite item from everything I got, and I might give away something from this, but I do not know yet. I just might. So if, like, the majority of people tell me what their favorite was, I just might consider that. So you guys actually tell me what was your favorite item in the comment section. And this bonus is for whoever has watched the video to this extent, so you just might be lucky. So comment in the comment section what was your favorite. Moving on, I got another saddle bag. So yeah, another one is a saddle bag, and this one is in black, and it's just exactly like the brown one. I really like this bag. I will be using this bag a lot, so you guys, like, they are the exact same bag. I just got them in 2 different colors, probably 3 from the way I'm seeing it. I think I got this bag in 3 colors. I'm not extra, you guys. The bag, the quality is the exact same. It is actually very sturdy. It also comes with this black shoulder thing, and I love this. This is the actual strap of the bag, and this particular strap is not adjustable. And yeah, the inside is just the exact same as the other brown one I showed you. I think my favorite thing about this bag is the strap and the fact that it has gold detailing. So yeah, this is the bag. Another thing I got is this white bag. So yeah. Oh my god. Could you ever? Your damn broke-ass boyfriend can afford it, mind you. I said what I said. This is cute. Like, the bag looks so small, but then when you look inside the bag, like, it has so much room. Like, it can take a reasonable amount of stuff. You can put your wallet, you can put in your phone, you can put in your key, you can put in a makeup powder and a makeup brush in this bag. Like, it actually has that amount of space. I love her. The next bag I bought, the exact same saddle bags I showed you guys, but it's in a cream color. Basically, the top is like kind of like grayish looking, and then the bottom is off-white. So yeah, I don't really have much to say again about this bag because I've already said a lot in the first 2 bags. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Guys, I kept looking this way throughout the video because I have like my viewfinder on this side just to be sure like I'm not blurring out or anything, so mind you, take note of that. And the last KNY bag replica. So yeah, it's a replica, it's a dupe, and it is just like the first bag I showed you that has the whole set, I guess. I really love this. I like it. I mean, the inside is not the best, but honestly, who's gonna come look inside your purse to see how it looks? But what I don't like about this particular bag is that you cannot carry this on its own, compared to this other bag that actually has a chain of its own that you can actually carry it by itself. But this bag, you cannot carry this on its own. That's what I don't like. But I don't really mind it because most of the time I'm going to carry the entire thing like at once, so it doesn't bother me. So I got this pair of Bottega inspired heels. I've worn them before, like I think I've worn them like once. I really like it. It's comfortable. The only thing I don't like about it is because when I get sweaty, my leg slips out of it, but like that's about it. It's very comfortable. I got this in 3 other colors, which is red, blue. This is baby blue. I was kind of feeling the baby blue color. Yep, and this white one. So yeah, I got the same slipper in 4 different shades. I am that extra. And I think AliExpress shipping time is like, this literally took like 2 months, 3 months to get to me. And to be honest, when you order from AliExpress, just get your mind off it, because if you think about it, you're going to have high BP. But yeah, if you guys know Justin Eugene, you know the glasses he always puts on. I'm going to put a picture here, but that's the exact same thing in this pouch. But before I show you guys the glass I got, look at this. In all Shein hauls I've watched, all their glasses come in this pack. And to be honest, for the price of the glasses, I feel like it should be more expensive for the fact that they actually give you this, and it's a leather pack, not a flimsy cloth. It's actually leather, so it actually protects the glasses. I really appreciate the fact that Shein takes their time to put in like packaging, like make their packaging really good. So I'll take out the glasses now and show you guys. So guys, this is the glass I got. I'm sure you guys already know the glass it is, and actually it looks better than the picture I saw. Hold on. Am I your mate? Huh? Do I look like your age mate? Show my age me. Do I look like your age mate? I don't know if I said that right. But oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. 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 I'm actually so excited. I love this. The next glass I got is the exact same one, but in a different color. Am I your mate? Don't talk to me. We're not mates, boo boo. But my ex-husband wants to kill me. But you know what? It's all worth it. Thank you so much for outdoing yourself this time around. You guys are the bomb. You guys are lit. And yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know in the comment section.